And this here, have a look, please. This is the third one that we're going to be applying in this room. So Will, what are these and how do they work?
This is free space, we call this, and it's made from acoustic foam, as you can probably tell. So no friendly fiber in this one, and that makes it really lightweight and
it really
squashy. Yeah. If you turn it around, see it's got two grooves on the back. So that means you can just push it onto any microphone stand, and you can mount it either upright like that, or you can rotate it if you want it in landscape, I guess you'd say, portrait and landscape.
It just like easy as that. That's it. Oh, these are very solid.
Yeah.
Oh, these are very firm and very solid from what we can tell. I think they weigh like 100 grams for a whole, it's like a half my wall, this one. And by being freestanding, it means that I can also, like, according to what I'll be recording, maybe I can close a mini booth around the singer. Or if I don't want, for example, too much of my hi-hat on the room, I can come in closer or do a mini cabin in front of a cabinet, or like a booth, a sound capture booth. This is so cool, and I like these grooves. This takes us apart. So I have a confession to make here. Pretty much like everyone, I started my DIY, you know, like with the average. I don't even want to mention where they come from, but these are the average 50 cents foam tiles that you find everywhere. These ones I even got from eBay, so they're used. And now I want to ask you, why these and not the DIY crap that we find everywhere?
Okay. Well, the wall panels that we've already talked about with the friendly fiber material, that's a much superior absorber, especially at the mid and the lower frequencies. So it's more effective. But we're using acoustic foam here, so that it's more of a comparison between that and that. Okay?
Yeah.
If you put it like that, you can see that it's very thin. There's a lot of air in this design, whereas this panel, there's more to it.
Oh yeah, I can see that. Yeah. And am I right to think that even in terms of the finish and the color, like there's no comparison between this color and the smart and the professionalism that can be felt just like by looking at this? What happens? Why are these guys like becoming yellow every day, you know?
Well, a lot of foams will turn yellow because of something called oxidation. So the UV light causes them to break down. It's kind of like they're rusting, like an old car, really. That's one of the reasons why we use the friendly fiber and the fabric covered panels. They will keep their color.
So I'm officially throwing these here in the bin. If you are still looking for some of these, you know, very, very low quality, you can find them outside of my address. I'll leave here in the link. No, just joking. But of course, bye-bye to all this crap, and we're ready to go with EQ Acoustics freestand foam. I like the design. Let's try it in the portrait just to see how it would look like.
I'd say if you drop that down like that.
Okay, I see that.
And then you can put another panel.
Oh, right. Wow. That's now like an entire wall. You can also pretty much have another one and do a corner.
Yeah, if you want to get some panels in close to the drums, can help you get a drier sound and give you a bit of separation as well.
All right. I'm very excited to see where we're going to be putting these. Stay tuned. We still have another one to test today, yeah?
We do.
Surprise for the next block. Thank you.